Morning. I'm back. All right, I got some big changes coming up in a few, probably in a few days, in a few weeks. I'm not sure, but all I do know is I come back from vacation. Got back 3 in the morning today. Extremely tired. But I wanted to get a trade in or two, and I nailed 2 beautiful trades this morning. The first one was tier. Knocked that one at the park. Had that one on my watch list this morning. Was gapping up pretty nice. Read the reports on it. Read why it was up. Love the reason. I wanted to play the upside on this one. So at open, it popped real hard. I was not part of this pop. Pulled back. Seen this nice little curve forming here. Couldn't get below this trend that we broke out of. Went long. I told a couple guys I was long a few stocks. In this Discord room I trade with pro options. Let me pull this up. So I took that one long this morning, and I pretty much told him I was looking for that 55.75 spot off that bottom. And I can pretty much show you guys that. Let me just swing it around. All right, I don't know if you guys can see it. Let me just shrink it a little bit. So typically when I'm taking trades, I'll probably post it somewhere, let people know what I'm doing, what I'm looking for. So I could say tier long off the bottom. Pretty much told them what I was looking for on it. Nailed it. And then I told them there goes TXN. So I was telling them I'm also going long on TXN. I took that one as well long. That's working out well for me. So far 2-0 out of the gate this morning. I'm loving it. Again, these are a couple guys I trade with. I put my trades in when I'm taking trades. So right when I get back, I'm in these 2 babies and I'm nailing it. So I'm pretty much happy with this so far. What I would probably do I took profits on this one already. I only have like 2 contracts left. I'll let that play out and see what happens. Let me just, because I think I can get a little bit more upside once I break that 55.75 area. And then if I can, I'll probably let these 2 contracts turn into a swing depending if I don't get stopped out. So what I'll be watching is this little channel right here that's forming. As long as we don't break this channel on this one, I'll stay in it. And then the other trade I took on this one was this morning was TXN. Another one. Read the reports this morning, liked it what I was reading from yesterday. So this one was pretty much on my radar. Zoom out. So basically I was trying to see if I can get this trend to break. I wanted to take a short, but if you can see pre-market, it pretty much gave it all up and bounced real quick. So I felt as if it was over on that gap fill I was looking for. Pulled based on this trend here. I started seeing the curl, and once I seen this breakout, I pretty much was telling them I'm long. It went up. Already know, like almost pretty much 2 points on that one. So 2 easy trades this morning. Nailed it. Love it. Again, I probably be live hopefully one more day out this week. I had went on vacation, took a little trip, went and seen some things. We liked it. So we're making a little bit of changes. We'll know it might happen soon at the rate things are going. So if I am down, it's probably because of that. Again, guys, if you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out, ask, hit me up. I know a couple people was hitting me up over the break. I think Kwame hit me up. A few people hit me up actually, and was asking me for a trade that I was in while I was on vacation. One of the ones that I did take was Wells Fargo. I was in the 46 calls. I closed that one out yesterday, right around here. Probably could have got a little bit more on it today on today's pop, but I am out on the Wells Fargo swing. That was one. The one that did kick my rear over the vacation, but I just went green on it today. I'm actually green on it now. $4, nothing big, but was a little upset with this one. I thought I would get a bigger move on this one on the vacation, but I didn't. It's just finally starting to break out and move. The one I was looking at is Levi. I am in this on a little swing. See how this works out. That pop did give me a nice little profit, but it wasn't nothing big that I wanted to take it off and run with it. So those were the two I did take on vacation as swings. Wells Fargo did pay me pretty good on that swing. Those 46 calls winning the money did pretty nice. I got a couple calls on this one on the option side. Like I said, now I'm up, what, not even much. It's just spreads right now, so I'm not even overly excited about that one. This is jumping around between 10 bucks, 15 bucks, $5. So the spreads are probably messing with me a little bit on this one. So that one, I want a bigger move on this one. Trying to see if I can start getting a nice little curl off this bottom. If I can, I'll be happy with that. On the equity side, especially because I got decent size on the equity side. So we'll see what happens with this one. I'll be watching this one closely. As long as it doesn't take out recent low, I should be fine on this one. Is what I'm looking for. So far so good. It is coming off the bottom. Let's see if we can zoom out a little bit. As you can see this bottoming is forming. So what I'm trying to see if I can start getting this baby to start curl up and start taking out these levels. I think once we break this 1892, get room towards that 1937, we break that, we should get a decent curl right into the 2045 area. Is what I'll probably be looking on that one. But again, I'll just be watching this one day by day. It is moving extremely slow, as you guys can see. But I think once it breaks out of this range that you're seeing right here, break out this range, I'm looking for that push that I'm getting. It is trading within the channel, as you can see, so that's another plus side to me. So again, everything on it is looking good so far off this bottom. Not too upset with it. Nice base, always good to see. Still don't think the numbers were that bad on this one. I think we'll see. I'll just see how this one plays out. So again, guys, those are the trades that I took. These are what I'm in still. Only Levi, Tier, and TXN. Let me see how that was doing. And TXN is currently pulling back right into support. So I'll probably give it a little bit more, probably 128. You know what? I'll probably do 127.90. If it breaks that level, I'll probably exit out of that one and just take my profits on that TXN tier. As you know, I already scaled out of that one, and I'll just see how that one plays out. Levi, you're still looking okay so far, so I'll just let that play out and see. It's just within a range right now. We need to pop that range to get a move on that one. Again, guys, that's it. Any question, guys, feel free to reach out. Hit me up on the email, MarcSkyStocks@gmail.com. You guys know I'm on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, wherever. Questions, ask away. Again, like I always say, stay green. That's the goal no matter what. And again, guys, if you guys don't see me in a couple more days, like I said, I got a few things popping, and yeah, a few weeks, for a few weeks, yeah, because I might have to do some adjustments or whatever, but all in all, good things coming. So again, guys, take care, enjoy yourself, stay green, share if you like what you're hearing. Feel free to reach out if you got any questions. Take care.